You are not ready. Still, anyway, you started. That's when everything works out for you. That's when everything turns out in your favor. Trust me. So, this is my very first video in YouTube channel, and I am putting the intention behind shooting this video that it should reach those people who are in exact same situation as me. So I'm going to describe the situation I am. This is my very first video. As I have mentioned right now to you guys, I'm not ready, but still I started the video. The same way, I just realized I think I should share this with you all. And I think you all also need that push, that small push to just start it anyway. I sat, I thought many things. I had the resources, I had the equipments, I already bought it. Like, you need a good camera, lighting to shoot a proper video. I mean, it can be anything which you want to start, but I'm just setting an example of starting my own video. The mic, I had everything ready, I bought everything, yet I was holding back. So I just sat and thought, if I don't start it, how am I supposed to figure it out? If I don't start it, how should I know that which is the correct method of starting it or carrying it out further? I can just not have the whole knowledge of it, and I cannot just sit with the knowledge. I have to start it. I have to put it up. So similarly, in my life, currently, you can say that I am having a huge changes occurring in my career life as well. I am going to pursue my MBA now. For that also I'm not ready. Not ready in the sense, it was my dream, of course. Of course, I want to do it. I have been dreaming to do it since I started doing my graduate. So it is a dream of pursuing MBA since, you can say that, 4 to 5 years from now. And now finally I have selected the right college. Finally I have that gut feeling, yes, this is the time. This is the time I should go. I should pursue it. Like, all these years, since 2 years, I have been researching many colleges. I have been researching the ROIs. I have been evaluating which college can be the best placement, this, that. Lots of parameters are involved in this. But trust me, that right moment when you are not ready, still you have that gut feeling, that inner instinct that this is the time, this is the college, this is the place, or this is the idea, whatever you want to achieve in your life. And you just have to listen to that thought. Trust me, don't think much, don't overthink, just just tap into it, start it anyway. Just do at least the introduction of it, bring it to light, bring it to your physical realm, at least by doing a small little effort, and see how universe aligns everything for you. Trust me, universe will give you millions of signals, millions of signs that yes, you're in the right track. That's when you'll get the confirmation. But if you don't start in the first place, if you don't give that 1% effort and put it in the physical realm, you will never know. You will never know if it's right for you or not. But you just think, now we always have that kind of dream or that kind of desire to achieve this, that. It can be a business, it can be a digital creation platform, it can be public speaking, it can be, that country is calling you, that city is calling you, you have that unusual attachment to that particular city, you want to go, and you don't know the reason why that country, that city attracts you so much. So if you don't go there, if you don't start that chapter, of your life in that city, if you don't place your step on that land, you will never know what's in store for you, what universe has planned for you. So guys, start it. Don't overthink. I know it takes lots of guts. Trust me, I have been having anxiety. I have been having sleepless nights. I have been thinking I am taking a huge step. I am going to do MBA in a different universe knows it all. Always you don't have to think how it will turn, what are the challenges you'll be facing, how the challenges will be removed and will be guided. You don't have to figure it out all at once and all right now. It can be unknown. But if you have the gut feeling to start something without having any second thought, without having any social anxiety, just start it and see the magic unfolds in that journey. That step you take, it's going to pay off. Trust me, it's going to pay off. Yeah, now I'm going to start my MBA. I'm going to pursue it. I don't know how it's going to end up, how it will work out, even if I'll succeed or not, what is in store in that new city for no. Nobody can say how it's going to end up. Nobody can say, even I cannot say if my MBA will be successful or not. After 2 years I'll know it. But at least I am doing it rather than sitting back, holding back, and regretting wasting your younger years, this young blooded energy you have now. Later on, you may not have these opportunities. Later on, you may not have these resources, this support from your family. You may not have it later on. So just do it. Just do it. And watch every beautiful thing come to you. Trust me, I'm so much emotional sharing this thought with you guys. Since this is my first video, I have to learn a lot in the way. I will figure it out and I'm ready to figure it out. But it has been my dream to share my thoughts or whatever I have in my mind with the world, with the right person who needs to hear this, who needs that small pinch, that small push, who is just waiting for that small push. So maybe I can be that support system for you, and you can just listen to me and we all can work together in this. So thank you so much. I hope whoever is watching this video is in a safe place, is doing good in their life. I am sending you so much good wishes. Even I don't know how my chapter is going to unfold, but I know universe has my back. I am just starting it anyway. That's it. How it's going to unfold, universe has my back. That's it. Universe has your back as well. So, just start it. Start it anyway, guys. Love you all so much. Stay safe. Take care. And you all have my good wishes. Thank you so much.